Break ID number 2933. 2017 Limited Football. 1-box break. This one is 1 filler for 10 spots. And go. This is a good weekend for it. Lots and lots of new releases. The new releases for Friday I will have tomorrow, so that won't be an issue, as it normally isn't. Joe, C.O. And the alphabetical list. Go. Hey, Chad. Two free spots, Joe, C.O. and Matt, W.H. One of these, can't remember which one, has a, if we hit a 1-1, we'll add a second box. That's Illusions. Illusions Football, which is sold out except for 6 fillers. Chronicles Baseball's down to 5. Nathan Peterman, 4-color, on-card RPA. To $2.99. Buffalo. Ron, G.A. Davis Webb, Jumbo Patch to 49. Giants. Joe, C.O. Last pack. Sean McCoy to 99. Whoa. Oh. Whoa, 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 whoa. We have a bounty. Holy cow, look at that card. Oh my word. I feel like I want to get rid of these. Oops. Let's get rid of those. Oh my gosh. Matthew Stafford, Megatron, Reggie Bush, triple auto, 1 of 1 and $100. Wow. Detroit. Who'd have thought? Ken, S.Y. Did you have your money on Detroit coming through in a big, big way? with a $100 bounty. Wow. Very nice, Ken. Very nice. 1 of 1. My goodness.